From utility power grids to industrial facilities and commercial infrastructure, three-phase pad-mounted transformers reliably convert voltage, ensuring that every kilowatt-hour of electricity is safely and accurately delivered to the end user. At JZP, we specialize in the research, development, and manufacturing of mid to high-end transformers. Our mission is to deliver safe, reliable, and efficient power distribution solutions to customers worldwide. Our transformers are designed and manufactured in full compliance with all applicable ANSI and DOE 2016 standards, and built according to IEEE C57.12.00 requirements for usual service conditions. Each unit is oil-filled and engineered for a 65°C temperature rise, ensuring stable performance even under demanding operating environments. We offer ratings ranging from 30 kVA to 3000 kVA, with primary voltages from 2.4 kV to 35 kV, including 150 kV BIL insulation levels and secondary voltages up to 600 volts. This wide configuration range makes our transformers suitable for utilities, industrial facilities, and commercial applications. All standard tap configurations are available. Most combinations support dual voltage with taps only in series connection, as well as multiple impedance and loss options, providing flexibility to meet specific grid and project requirements. At JZP, we believe a transformer is more than a piece of equipment. It is a long-term commitment to operational safety, energy efficiency, and infrastructure reliability. If you are seeking dependable power distribution solutions backed by engineering precision and global standards, JZP is ready to support your next project.